Hi, good day, Miss Jaisel. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, my name is Jaisel Briones, 27 years old. I have one son, 3 years old.
Alright.
I live in Teresa Rizal, Philippines.
Alright, thank you. Then what is your marital status?
My marital status is single with living partner.
Okay. Then tell me about your educational background.
My educational background is I am graduate senior high school, Angono, Rizal. My strand is cookery.
Alright, thank you. Do you have brothers and sisters?
I have brother and sisters. My brother is 3 brothers and I have 4 sisters. I am the 3rd child in the family.
Okay, thank you. Then how would you describe yourself?
I am honest, loyal, and I'm hardworking person.
Okay, thank you. Then why do you want to apply abroad?
For my family needs, for my future son, because my son is needs financial for his studies.
Okay. And then, do you have any work experience abroad?
I do not have experience abroad,
Alright.
but I have a working experience here in the Philippines. I have 3 years contract in my patient.
Alright. Did you finish your contract?
Yes, I finished my contract.
Please tell me about your previous employer.
My previous employer is 75 years old. He is a man, old man, and then he has a problem in bones, so I assist him in wheelchair and the bed. He has osteoporosis.
Alright, thank you. Then, please indicate your duties and responsibilities as caretaker.
As a home-based caretaker, my responsibilities to my patient is monitoring vital signs, diet plan meals. It's important the patient has a balanced meal, and monitoring the simple exercise like their hands or feet. And every time I assist him in the hospital, taking notes from the doctor that he check up every day. I monitor every medical time that he needs.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Then, aside from that,
Ma'am, I clean the household chores like laundry, cleaning the area of my patient, making sure that my patient is comfort to his area and his bed too.
alright, thank you. Then, are you willing to take care elderly person abroad?
Yes, I am willing.
Alright. How about what will you do if you become homesick?
I'm focusing on household chores. I'm focusing on my patient, and I'm thinking of my future of my family.
Alright, thank you. Then, are you scared of dogs and cats?
I'm not afraid of dogs and cats.
Are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs?
I am willing, Ma'am.
Then, how do you describe your cooking skills?
I am confident in my cooking skills because I am graduate senior high school, and my strength is cookery. I am aware of cooking like adobo, sinigang, Filipino food. If you request me, ma'am, sir, na like food that you want, I can do it.
Alright, thank you. Then, do you have any food allergy?
I do not have food allergy, ma'am.
Alright. Do you eat everything?
I eat everything, ma'am. I'm not picky.
Okay. Do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, they are no. Yes, they approve.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No.
How about smoking?
No.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share a room with the children or elderly persons?
Yes.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning and sleep at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. For the last question, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hello, ma'am, sir. I'm hardworking person and I have a cheerful, positive, and I want to be part of your contract, and I am honest with you. Thank you, ma'am, sir.